Dad, smell this. Give it a big smell.
¿Qué es eso? Guácatelas. Expired oil. Oh shoot, guys, right now we're celebrating New Year's at one of our really good friends' houses, and there's a lot of fireworks in this neighborhood, unlike in mine. Oh my god. Oh! Is this what Europe felt like in the 30s and 40s? Oh shoot! I don't see any more action. Oh, that was a really cute one. That was really pretty. Oh, here we go. Woo! How are you liking the new year?
Happy, I like it so much.
You like the fireworks?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Ah! Oh, shoot! You like that one? Oh my god, we're breathing all this smoke. Oh my god. Woo! Wow, incredible. Woo! Woo! New year, new engine. Alright guys, I'm going back inside. There's way too many fireworks. Happy New Year's. OMG, this just an don't do that. Ew, oh my god, he literally just has the insect inside his hand.
Bye.
Oh, a volar. Ew, gross. Ugh.
Oh my god, I had a dream today that we were riding in your car and then we kept hearing noises, and then I was like, what is that? And you're like, I don't know. It's probably something that's breaking off of the car. We were at a red light or something, and I went outside and I checked, and like I came back to you, and then I put your phone down and I saw that the trunk was open. I was like, the trunk is open. All of the balls and all of the sneakers are, your clothes are on the road, and you're like, just leave it there.
This dream is unrealistic because Carl would never step out of the car for anything. I tell her go get a water. No. Go help that homeless person. No. I saw this one video on Instagram of some people trying to sing the song Caught in a Bad Romance, and you have to try to sing it without laughing. You're supposed to not laugh.
Romance. Rah rah Roma.
I told you it was hard. Love, 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 I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love. You know that I want you. And you know that I need you. I want it bad. Your bad romance. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I want your love and all your lovers' revenge. Another song I think would be really funny to try to sing without laughing is Elmo's World.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Elmo's World. Elmo's World. Elmo loves his condiment.
What? What just happened?
It was the goldfish that caught me off guard. I saw it and I didn't think it would be that abrupt of a transition. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say. What the?
Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy
to say it. No me niegues tu mirada porque ya yo la quiero soñar. Y mi alma enamorada a ti te quiere más. Didi si tu corazón tiene otro o tiene otro acá. We drove by a homeless y tú lo viste a los ojos, hiciste visual contacto con él y dijiste, man, just get a house. Why are you out here? Why are you out here? It's so cold. Get a house. And I was like, please, he's an orphan. He's an orphan boy. Y tú me miraste a mis ojos y me dijiste, sí, como no. Mira, es puerco, eso es lo que es. Ni es humano. Y es Biggie.
Biggie Smalls?
Not Biggie, I said Biggie.
Guys, if anybody understood that, I'll send you a $50 Amazon gift card
If somebody understood that, it can comment down word by word what she just said. I'll give you a $50 Amazon gift card.
Be better than any country in the world, even the United States, because it's run by Floridians. Floridians. It's gonna be incredible.
Guys, please
Facing the consequences.
go listen to the podcast. I literally sound like an insane person in this one. So we got Nina this little box like home, and we put it on Carl's bed so she can sleep there. She doesn't like it. She hasn't been going in it. So now we forced her in. Hello. You're gonna like that. I spent $8 at Goodwill for it. Look at her eyes. She's like, please don't do this.
Sipping codeine like it's beer. I'm in London, so I'm screaming cheers.
Man of the year, still got problems. Looking in the mirror, you look awful. Talking to myself, do it too often. JK Juice WRLD, you're so awesome.
One. The other four.